Hello students, welcome back. Today we will move on to the question and answers. Question number 1. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? The answer is, the poet wants the boy to experience the loss fully, as he thinks that it is a part of growing up. He should learn that it is the part of life. That's why the poet doesn't want to interfere in the boy's experience, or to console him, or offer him money to buy another ball. Question number 2. Staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? The answer is yes. The boy has had the ball for a long time. That since his childhood. Yes, it is linked with the memories of days when he played with it. When he saw the going bouncing into the water of the harbor, he felt all his childhood memories going with it. Question number 3. What does in the world of possessions mean? The answer is, in the world of possessions means all the possessions that people like to collect in the world and cling to. Money is external because it can buy only material objects. It cannot compensate for the emotional loss that one goes through. Question number 4. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. The answer is no. It seems the boy had lost anything earlier. The word that suggests so are senses first responsibility in the world of possessions. Question number 5. What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Try to explain this in your own words. The answer is, the poet says that the boy is learning to cope up with the loss of the ball. He is experiencing grief and learning to grow up in the world of possessions. He learns that there are so many things in life that are to be lost and cannot be brought back. It is useless to feel sorrow for it. Question number 6. Have you ever lost something you liked very much? Write a paragraph. Describe how you felt then and saying whether and how you got over your loss. The answer is, The Ball poem by John Berryman is an extremely emotional poem about a boy losing something that meant the world to him. The author uses many literary elements to portray his feelings. For example, John Berryman uses the lost ball as a symbol of childhood and memories or once in a lifetime experiences that his person cannot get back. A ball is an easily replacement object, but the experiences and feelings behind it can never be replaced. I once lost my favorite pen gifted to me by my father on my birthday. It was a gleaming gold-plated ball pen, and I prized it above all gifts that I had received. Thank you, students. Please note down this question and answer in your notebook. Have a nice day.